Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before starting today's main topic, I would like to tell you that we are going to start a series of studying various groups present in as well as the family, and we'll be discussing different groups and patterns and themes of particular families or groups in this series. So today we will be starting with the very first group, that is the animal kingdom. I will be giving you a very brief idea about animal kingdom today. So as the name suggests, that is animal kingdom, the remedies which are present are coming from the animal group itself. So the remedies are prepared from various parts of animals. For example, milk of animal, venom of animal, then gut of animal, then shell of animal, tissues or part, sometimes a whole animal. Let's see the key points present in the animal kingdom. So in animal kingdom, the remedies are quick in their action or quick in onset. So they are act very rapidly. Whenever whenever any animal remedy is prescribed, they will always give you the rapid action on a patient. Then they are very much violent in their action. Violent means they are very energetically present, or they shows very energetic reaction. Okay, then destructive of organic tissue. They destruct the organic tissue. They will only destruct the organic tissue. Okay, just destruct, but they will not change the structure. Not change the structure. Okay, this kind of persons are very much competitive person. They are always with the competition with someone else. They will always compare themselves with the other person. They will always use language of strong and weak. They will be saying like strong versus weak. While narrating the complaints also, patient will talk in this language. I am stronger, she is weak, she is stronger, I am weak, in that language. Then the person is very jealous of everyone. Like even if a person likes someone, he is also jealous with that person too. Person is very aggressive. He will be always on fire. He will be shouting, scolding, harming everyone. Again, the person is very possessive. These all are the qualities of the patient. If these qualities are seen in any patient, then no doubt this person needs the animal kingdom remedy, or the remedy suits from this kingdom. But again, you have to see, or you have to again individualize the person, then only you can decide which remedy to prescribe. The main thing is, these persons are having animal magnetism. These persons are so much attractive. They are having the attractive look in their face, or they are having the attractive personality, you can say. Okay, then they will be always talking about high and low, that they wanted to be stand on a highest position. He will be pretending as if he is low and someone is high. Either he will pretend that he is high and someone is low, vice versa. Then again, he is having the attractive personality, sexual. They will always say that I am very stronger than the other person. They are having the survival skills. Then comparison. They will be always comparing each other. Like they will compare with themselves to other person who is not in a competition with that person, no matters he is weak or strong, but they will again compare with everyone to himself. They will, here in the survival skills, they will go and do very much of hard work and survive in that position. They will not go down from the same position, or they will not go up from the same position, but they will survive in that position. This surviving skills, these are the animal part in that human being. Again, there will be always me versus you language. The person will again apply these words. Like, then there is again a main thing, that is split within self. This split within self means a human being has two personalities, that is the animal side and a human side. This animal side will always concerned with the competition. Then he will be always malicious, then aggressive, deceitful. This person will harm, matlab that person will always with the desire to harm to someone, and he will harm the person purposefully. He will not think of that person ki no, that person will hurt by my actions. He will never think that thing. If he is angry or if he get irritated, then that person will harm the other person purposefully. He will having the tendency to cheat someone, to hurt someone purposefully. And this, he knows that he is doing this thing, then also he will do the same thing. Then in the human side, he will contempt for animal within himself. Within himself. So these are the elements from in which disappointment in love, this is the most important thing. Second is performance from being looked down, that he will be always having the feeling that someone is at the higher position than me, someone is conquering my position, someone is above me, and I don't want to lose my position. He will be always into that thing. Then being attacked, he is always in a fear that if I did this thing, then someone will attack me, or he is very suspicious for those things that someone will attack me. There are sub kingdoms of animal kingdom. There are 6 sub kingdoms. Okay, so first is mollusca, then reptiles, birds, mammals, insects, and spiders. These 6 are the sub kingdoms of the animal kingdom. So in this, like mollusca has remedies like sepia, murex. These are again the different remedies. They are again subdivided into different groups, but whatever the signs and symptoms we saw just now, those signs and symptoms will be the same for this remedies too, for this subgroups too. So this was all about the animal kingdom. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down below and ask me anytime, and also like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.